Alam nyo ba guys, napaka-underrated ng brand na to. By the way, this is Gentle Brightening Cleanser from Soul Apothecary. So this product or this cleanser is low pH and for all skin types. So it has green tea, white mulberry, Rumex occidentales, porcelain, licorice, allantoin, ceramides, and more. And this product is already 60 ml. And as you can see guys, sobrang mawala ng kanyang consistency. So as you can see naman sa aking face, pero don't worry guys, very mild lang niya sa face. And this product has no fragrance, so perfect sa mga may sensitive ang skin. Kaya nagtataka ako guys kung bakit napaka-underrated ng product nila or brand. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga ng mga products ng Soul Apothecary. By the way, this is not sponsored. Soul Apothecary, baka naman. Uy, super enjoy talaga yung mga ganitong facial cleanser guys. Kasi alam mo yan, talagang mawawash talaga yung mga dirt, impurities, makeup sa ating face. For its price naman guys, so yung 60 ml is 199 and yung 100 ml or bigger version is 299 pesos. So very worth it talaga yung price niya guys, and talagang marami kayong benefits na makukuha sa facial wash na to. And after washing my face guys, na hindi niya mafe-feel na nag-dry yung face nyo, kaya I super duper recommend this product. Super worth it niya at hindi talaga kayo magsisisi. Kaya if you wanna try this product, I will put it on my yellow basket. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Click mo na yan. Click mo na yan. Yun lang. Bye!